What's going on, man? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Fatkat, of course, man. So as you guys can see in the background, I am at Unique Rides once again. I need some help from y'all, man. I need some help from every single one of y'all, man. Make sure you guys comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this, man. So like I said, I'm up here with Gabe and you know, his dudes over here. As you can see, he's taking off a wheel, right? So, and you guys gonna see it in the thumbnail anyway. So like I said, as you guys gonna see it in the thumbnail, so make sure you guys let me know what you guys think, man. So he's taking off my wheel right now. He's taking off my wheel right now. We're gonna throw on this other wheel. I need you guys to let me know what you guys think about it, man.
Put a 3 mil hub-centric spacer back there just to bring it out a little bit past the, see how close you are?
Yeah.
Just bring it out a little bit and you're ready to go.
Damn, that baby's on the brake caliper.
Love that wheel.
Did you see?
Look sick, dude.
Did you see my post? Did you see my post?
See my post?
I did.
Everyone liked it. Your post, everyone didn't like it.
Well, I mean, they still put the likes, but it's like when they commented, it was like, what's the name?
Dude, I like it.
Damn, I wish it was what's the name so we could lower it down.
I like
so I can see how it is on the body.
Yeah, that doesn't matter because it looks stupid lower down. You have the wrong size tire on there.
Yeah.
I had bags on mine. Your car's not lowered or had bags. So no matter what, you have to change the tire size.
And the tires, nasty.
Man, look like small. I don't know, did we?
Was that?
You can lower spring on this one?
Yeah.
This car was bagged though. Still, you're still gonna have a gap.
Oh yeah, definitely.
You're still like a Mexican.
Yeah.
All right, man. So you guys see it, man. So what do you guys think about this, man? Comment below and let me know.
I didn't realize the rotors are huge on this thing.
Yeah, they're super huge.
Oh my god. It's bigger than the whole opening of the
These are what modern concept, right?
Yeah.
Modern concept wheels, 22-inch, two-step lip. You guys see on there. What do you guys think about that on Christine, man? So I put this on IG and it wasn't recepted very well. But let's see on now on YouTube, man. You guys comment down below and let me know what you guys think about it. In person, I think it looks better. I think it looks better in person, maybe than what it comes through in the picture. Maybe, I don't know. Cause in person,
at the end of the day, everyone that has these cars either black, satin black, or matte black wheels.
Right.
Everybody has orange or matte black wheels or satin black wheels. Come on, but you different. Be different.
That's what I'm saying. Be unique.
Be unique.
Shameless plug. But anyway, I was saying, in person, man, I think it looks good, man. Obviously, yeah, change the tires and everything else, man. But I think it looks pretty good in person.
Then if you're really tired of the 2-bunch pop, you can always go black with it, you know?
Just put the black face on it.
Or you can do a brush face on it.
Man, my car's filthy, man. All right, guys. So let me know, like I said, in the comments down below, what do you guys think about that? These are actually Gabe's old wheels that he's getting ready to let go. So he's giving me basically first dibs on them. If I want them, then I could come pick them up from him. So, but I'm contemplating on what I want to do. So obviously public opinion is always good. So like I said, let me know what you guys think about that, man. man. So I need your help, man. Let me know what you guys think about those, man. If you guys follow me on IG, you guys know that I posted them on IG not too long, actually yesterday. So not too long ago, and it wasn't well received. A lot of people said no, hell no, not on that mango, you know, things like that. And you know, I think it comes through a little bit different in pictures than it does in person, man. I don't know, because in person it doesn't look bad. You know, obviously they're chrome and things like that, so they're not chrome, they're chrome lip, and they're heavy as but you know, at the end of the day, I mean, I don't really got my car for to race or anything like that, man. You know, I just want to look good and still be able to go fast or whatever, but you know, but just basically on the street. So let me know what you guys think, man. Should I go ahead and jump that, you know, pull that trigger and get those, or should I just try to get something else? Now I could get another set of wheels that are made. It'd be a little bit more expensive, but I could get a set of wheels that are made from that same company because they make wheels. So I could get another set of wheels made. Actually, I'm going to put them in. I'm going to insert it right here, right now. All right, and let me know, man. So should I go with those wheels that you guys just seen in the picture, or should I go with the wheels that you guys seen in the video? All right. So like I said, the wheels that you see in the picture, yes, they are Ferrata. But like I said, these guys make wheels, so no, they won't be Ferrata per se, but they like I said, they could basically machine up and make that wheel design, same concave and everything, and make it look just like it basically. And like I said, it'll be a different brand of wheel. But like I said, this other company is Modern Concepts. I think they just started like a wheel company not too long ago. So you know, so they're up and coming at the end of the day. But like I said, they're able to make wheels and whatever design you want and everything else, man. So like I said, so let me know, man. So what you guys think, man? So should I go with the ones you see in the picture or the ones you see in the video, man? Or neither and keep going, or keep my stocks? What do you guys think, man? And just get a wider wheel and do the, you know, wider tire and all that in the back, man. Let me know what you guys think. Anyway, man, I don't want to make it too long, man. Again, like I always say, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. Make sure on this one, please comment down below and let me know what you guys think about it. I take all of you guys' input very seriously, and I take it all into consideration. I mean, ultimately it is my decision, but I do take all of you guys, you know, input very, very, very seriously, and like I said, I take it all into consideration, man. So I greatly appreciate it. Again, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. And like I always say, man, we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.
New text message.